The second largest of the Canary Islands, Fuerteventura was declared a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 2009. Fuerteventura is the longest island in the whole Canary Islands Archipelago. A spectacular coast that traces an endless line of very characteristic beaches with white sand and turquoise waters. Fuerteventura is a fun island in the Canaries with some of the greatest and biggest beaches in the region, complemented by warm sunshine and golden dunes. So we spent 4 days in the island. We needed to see as much as we could within those 4 days. We need to plan our stay carefully. Being one of the largest islands in the Canaries, 4 days seems not enough to get the most of the island. The first thing we did was to rent a car. We rented a car from the airport in Puerto del Rosario. Puerto del Rosario is the capital of Fuerteventura and is a working fishing town and port. It has not traditionally been a tourist town, though cruise ships do dock here for visits to Fuerteventura, as do the inter-island ferries. For the first part of our trip, we stayed in Corralejo. It is a town located on the northern tip of Fuerteventura, 40-minute drive from the airport. We have started by visiting the sand dunes of Corralejo. The Parque Natural de las Dunes de Corralejo is one of the most visited natural areas in Fuerteventura and boasts the largest sand dunes of the Canary Islands. With miles of near white sand beaches, clear turquoise waters, huge dunes, and a contrasting red and black volcanic landscape, it is a royal natural gem of the Canary Islands. After the dunes, we strolled around Puerto de Corralejo, bustling port neighborhood with a range of water activities, boat excursions, and vibrant selection of bars and restaurants. Playa de la Goleta nearby is a small beach located just a couple of blocks from the main strip. The beach is characterized by its sandy southern part, which is a popular spot for swimming. Las Palmeras shopping center in Corralejo, 8-minute walk from the Goleta beach, offers a wide range of stores, clothing for all ages, sports goods, perfumes, cosmetics, accessories, and a food market, the perfect destination for your shopping in Fuerteventura. Before leaving Corralejo, we spent few hours at the Playa de Corralejo Viejo. The next stop will be Bentacuria, the oldest town in the Canary Islands. Just before entering the town, we came across the Morro Velosa Statues, which are situated very close to the viewpoint of the same name, Mirador Morro Velosa. Morro Velosa is a picturesque viewpoint, and from this vantage point, you can take in the stunning views of the northern area of the island. The viewpoint offers a unique opportunity to appreciate the island's natural beauty. Those statues are massive, and I looked like a dwarf beside them. The former capital of Fuerteventura, Bentacuria, has a history center presided over by its church-cathedral. The Santa María de Betancuria church-cathedral is the most important building in the city. Initially built in the Norman Gothic style, the temple was rebuilt in the 17th century and retains certain elements of its original construction such as the bell tower and some sections of the columns. Okay. This is a lovely town with white buildings, great statues, great views, calm and chilling atmosphere. We really enjoyed visiting Bentacuria. The next step is Ajuy Caves, 35-minute drive from Bentacuria. Ajuy is a small and charming village situated on the west coast of Fuerteventura. Although nowadays Ajuy lives mainly from tourism, its origins are fishing. Ajuy has several places of a natural beauty that catches everyone's eye. On the one hand, there is its beach, nestled between high rocky escarpment, one of the few black sand beaches on the island. Close by, there's also the Madre de Agua Canaria palm grove, and on the other hand, its caves. This area is stunning, truly beautiful. It's a bit of hike to get to the caves, but well worth it when you get there. The oldest rocks in the Canary Islands are located in a cave network in the town of Ajuy. The geological wonder that has been declared a national monument consists of sedimentary substrates formed in the deep ocean. The dating of the caves is astonishingly far in the past when it's considered that the island of Fuerteventura was formed 30 million years ago. We are now at our second accommodation in the town of Gran Tarajal. With a population of around 8,000, this town, along with Puerto del Rosario and Corralejo, is one of the island's most important hubs in terms of business and services.
We stayed in the north of the island, but staying in Gran Tarajal gave us easy access to the south of Fuerteventura.
The next step is the south of the island. We headed to Morro Jable. On our way there, we stopped at Playa de Jandia, 37-minute drive from Gran Tarajal. Ten-minute drive from Janda Playa, we reached Morro Jable. Morro Jable and Jandia belong to the largest tourist centers of Fuerteventura. The beach is the main attraction, with pale golden sand stretching for around 4 kilometers. Puerto del Rosario is the capital of Fuerteventura, so before catching our flight back home, we decided to spend some time in the capital of Fuerteventura. The city has been the capital of Fuerteventura since 1860, when it replaced the town of Bentacuria. Since then, it has gradually grown to become the main city on the island, home to island's different institutions, as well as the airport and the port, the main routes of entry for people and goods. The capital boasts various strips and sands stretching along its coastline, some of which are situated within the city center. Playa Chica offers fine sand and clear, calm waters, perfect for swimming.
After a day of exploring, we relaxed at the beach and took a swim. The water was nice and calm.
To the left of the beach, you'll find the skeleton of Bryde's well. It overlooks the water between the beach and the port. The skeleton is one of 4 on display on the island to highlight these marine animals. Fuerteventura is one of the jewels of the Canary Archipelago. It is known for its stunning beaches, volcanic landscapes, and a quiet atmosphere, perfect for an unforgettable vacation. With lagoon beaches, desert mountains, sand dunes, rich seabeds, historic villages, there was plenty to keep us busy while visiting Fuerteventura. In addition, its warm and sunny climate throughout the year make it an ideal destination for sun lovers.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Next time we are taking you to Cape Verde in Africa. Till then, keep traveling. See ya.